this.
Good morning. Got Lucy on. Got some cozy winter ambiance on. Just waking up the house. And I don't know why, but it just dawned on me that I cleaned the craft room and I didn't even film it. I don't know what I was thinking, but look at her. Look at her. I just can't believe it. My back hurts. I'll tell you that much. But there were boxes everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. And so this is all my junk journaling supplies. And then these are like Christmas items. This like Halloween junk journal. These have to get moved out to the garage. So they're not gonna sit here. And then I finally cleared out my desk and look what I found. This is Loxie's paw print. Look at Loxie's paw print. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so like I even closed the door. It's crazy. It's craziness. Like I literally, after I cleaned it last night, I walked in here several times just to look at it. It was just like I don't know if you've ever like had a space that was just really messy and then you finally tackled it and then you just had to like keep looking at it. That's what I was going through yesterday. I just kept walking in here. I couldn't believe how clean it was. I wish you guys could have I wish you really could have seen it the first time before I filmed the last craft room clean with me, because I filmed where I was like filling up these bins. But you really didn't see how bad it was in here. Like you couldn't walk. You could not see this carpet. You could not see this carpet. You couldn't even see that carpet. So anyways, you can see it now. But anyways, yeah, very proud of that.
Wait for you. We gotta have some time together.
Okay, I just ate my breakfast and I need to work out within 30 minutes of that. So I'm actually gonna pull for my new Nike leggings. I got these off of Amazon. Let's get a sports bra. Let's go for black. Love those. Those are from Amazon. They come in a set of 3. Yeah, there's purple and other colors, green. Not that green, actually, that's the wrong green. But it's all in here. Okay. Grabbed a gray sweater and a gray beanie. I went to go do that transition. I was gonna sit, and then when I sat, I was gonna be in those clothes I picked out, but it's raining. I'm gonna need like a treadmill because I need to walk. All right, so now I'm going to take a shower. All right, so let's pick out my outfit for the day. So I'm gonna go with these black jeans, these Levi's. They're from Amazon. I'm gonna go for like a white sweater, but I don't know where my plain, here it is. I think I'm gonna wear this. I'm also going to wear this coat, but only when I leave the house because I'm gonna run errands. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and Dollar General. I'll throw up a picture of my inspiration. So I'm doing the reverse, I guess, because in the photo she's wearing gray sweatpants but a black jacket, but I don't have those gray sweatpants, so I'm gonna do black jeans, gray jacket, but I do have a green hat. I have this one that I got, or I have like a Kelly green Tommy Hilfiger, which I think I'm gonna go for this one. Okay, I'm going to HomeGoods. I wanted to show you the outfit compared to the one that I showed. So obviously I'm doing the reverse. So I'm doing jeans and not gray sweatpants. I'm doing gray and not a black jacket. I do have on the white sweater, and I've got on my Adidas Superstars, and then my Kelly green Tommy Hilfiger hat. Have on all of my jewelry. It's from Amazon. I'll link them. Earrings are Amazon. And then I have on my tennis bracelet, Amazon, and then my thrifted little black watch. My rings are Amazon as well. So all that's linked in my jewelry. The hat is also Amazon. The jacket is H&M. The sweater is probably like Walmart or Amazon. It's just like a Hanes. And then the jeans, like I mentioned, are Amazon. They're Levi's, but I got them from Amazon. So I really like it. I really like this outfit. So I definitely need to document this. And I do that on Instagram, actually. I use my Instagram reels as ways for me to document, and then I go back into my own reels. And sometimes like I'll recreate the outfit. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. I get to share it with y'all, but then I get like a record of it for myself. So I'm gonna go film that video real quick. I'm sorry, but what the hell is this? What are these things? Like it's a no for me, but ooh, I love this. It is pouring down rain. This was a bad day to do this. This octopus. Like, yeah. Gonna get that. That's a really cool desk. this. This would look really cute for the guest bedroom. All of this. It's just so Italian. I also really love this chair. It doesn't go with anything that I have. Oh, this gold is so cute. That's crazy. Shake. Yes. Good boy.
The introducer to the Golden Globes. Oppenheimer creating the nuclear bomb, and one's about Barbie. But it was more than just about Barbie. It was about women in society, and it was just way more, like, if you were a smart thinking intellectual person, you realize it's not about a doll. That's the whole point. You know what he says? He says Oppenheimer was based on his 721-page Pulitzer Prize winning book, and Barbie was based on a plastic doll with big boobies. And it's like, you just proved the entire point of the whole movie. Yeah. You just, like, that movie is what is about men like you.
Oh my, the store's crazy. And the carts are fresh. While I'm here, I'm gonna grab some half and half if they have it. Yeah, they do. Okay. They have the big ones. I guess that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Grab this one, check the expiration. It is such a pretty store. Like, look how nice. I don't know why, but this would be so pretty to junk journal with. Like this little picture right here. Also, these look kind of amazing. I'm also gonna grab some bread. This is my favorite. So grab that. This candy section is unreal. So cute, a little magnetic wood dress up. Okay, so far I found some stuff. We'll do a haul in the car. Like, look at this giant bear. Like, this bear's freaking massive. Like, it's huge. That is so... This is so cute. Like, how cute is that? So cute. Okay, this is really cute. I would kind of consider this a milk jug, but it's probably not. But that is really cute. Wow, this... What? Oh my gosh, that is crazy to me. That is cool.